Welcome to My Friend with Tools. This is the place where we put tools to the test. Whether you're a do-it-yourselfer, a professional, or just someone who loves a good tool review, you're in the right place. As you can see here, I've got my old worn-out bolt cutter, and it barely fits in my drawer. And I sure don't want to have one that has less leverage and a smaller handle. As you can see here, the blades are not doing so well. And the handles, well, they've seen better days. So I headed over to my local Menards to pick up a new bolt cutter. And this is what I found. The Masterforce 24-inch folding bolt cutter. This thing is built for convenience, with cast aluminum locking levers that let it fold down for easy storage right in my drawer. It features hardened forged blades designed for durability and precision cutting. And the best part, it comes with a lifetime warranty, so it's built to last. Let's put it to the test and see if it makes the cut. Well, this one's hard to unfold. Maybe it's just new. Wow. A little bit sticky. There it is, unfolded. Well, let's put it to use. This year I plan on planting a lot of tomatoes in my garden. And I'm going to make my own tomato cages. So on this project, I have acquired concrete remesh. And concrete remesh is easy to cut with a set of bolt cutters. So it's the perfect project to test this new Masterforce bolt cutter. The first thing we're going to do is get this on roll so we can measure out a length. For the diameter of these tomato cages that I'm going to want, I've done the math and I want to cut this at about 55 inches. But I really want to cut in the center of these squares, so I'm going to make it 57. And then we'll be able to bend the ends so that we have hooks so that it'll hold together. So let's get these bolt cutters ready and we'll see what happens here. We're gonna cut right down here, down every wire, and see how this works. Now the force required here is almost nothing, almost just a little more than what's required to close it. Well, now that sure was easy. Let's take a look here and see if there's any marks on these blades. These blades seem to be holding up pretty good. I don't see any marks on these blades. And this is somewhat of a hard, brittle wire that we're cutting here. So that bodes pretty well for this set of bolt cutters. Let's see if we can make this into a tomato cage. These bolt cutters sure made the job a lot easier. If I didn't have these bolt cutters, I would have had to use my angle grinder, and I definitely don't want to make sparks in my garage when I don't have to. I really don't want to burn the place down. So I'm really happy that these were available for me to go pick up and buy, and I have 71 more of these to make. So I will get to work, and hopefully with how easy it is to use these, I won't get worn out. Now what I'm going to attempt to do is I'm going to attempt to test the maximum capacity of this here bolt cutter. This bolt cutter says it's rated for up to a 3/8 inch bolt, so that's what we have here. And we're going to see how hard it is to cut through this 3/8 bolt. And there it goes. Honestly, that was easier than I expected. It wasn't easy, but it wasn't hard either. It was just a lot easier than my old bolt cutters. Close-up of the blades reveals that there's no damage to the blades. The handles were stiff at first, making it tough to fold and unfold. But after cutting all the remesh for my tomato cages, they loosened up, and then they felt completely normal. I think it just needs a little break-in time. I really like that these fold down compactly. Makes it easy to fit in my toolbox. Definitely a plus. Overall, I'm satisfied with these bolt cutters, and I think they're worth the $47.99 I paid. They perform great, they store easily, and they feel solid. If I ever need to cut larger materials, I'd be comfortable picking up the 36-inch version. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tool reviews, do-it-yourself projects, and real-world tests. Have you used these bolt cutters before? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.